Hi Zesties, welcome to the first episode of Cooking with Pride with Evan Zesty. Cooking with pride, cooking with pride. What am I making? Blackened fish, mashed potatoes, cauliflower, and crawfish sauce.
Yeah, the pot right there. What's going on with that shirt? Hold on, let me see that shirt.
What?
Oh.
It's about the internet. Remember DSL? You know, it's about the internet.
Yeah. What does the DSL stand for? Never mind.
It stands for, I can't forget, but you know, it was the type of internet that we used to use back in the day, you remember?
Something to have to dial up, and then there was...
Yeah, something like that.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Be careful with the cussing.
Oh, right.
No
right.
worries, because my friend in Mississippi that recorded me was cussing a lot.
Yeah, I won't. I forgot about that
But I'm just
part.
saying, I want to try to be a little bit...
Yeah, of course.
Cautious.
We don't want to ruin good content with
Yeah.
an F-bomb. Exactly what we don't want to do.
I don't even know, though, because, like...
I think you are allowed to curse on there, but you can get
are?
demonetized later, and you don't need
No,
that.
they don't demonetize for cussing.
Not demonetized, but they
the
can pull...
advertisers might not like you.
Right.
And
We just don't curse. There's no need to.
I don't really know how, like, what am I?
An old bitter queen.
No, you got the order on it.
Oh,
bitter
old queen,
yeah.
right. And this is redfish and red grouper is what we got.
Red snapper
Fresh.
and red grouper.
Red snapper and red grouper, and it's fresh. These people have a boat. They send it out. They catch it. They bring it back.
Let's shout them out. Their name. What is their name?
It's Knockmans. Yep, Knockmans. And we're using avocado oil.
Of course. Mm-hmm. You wanted me to use...
No. There's nothing wrong with avocado oil. I just use olive oil on my vegetables because I like the flavor they have. But avocado oil is a little higher smoke point and doesn't add any flavor or very minimal flavor, so it's good. Whoa!
Oh, calm down. I have to smell the seasonings too.
Yeah, show the seasonings too. This is important you show them.
I forget that.
Yeah, there we go. All right.
Yeah, but you know the blackened seasoning that I'm gonna put on there.
Oh, you're gonna coat it with that.
I'm gonna complete. Most people they don't even.
Oh,
put,
this is the best.
Yeah.
This here, by the way, you can't find this outside of like Florida because
no, you can. Well, it's from Louisiana.
blackened redfish magic though is the key is redfish. You can't even get redfish in many places. It's just like you can't get it. So they sell this stuff only on the coast.
I don't know about that. I'm sure they sell it elsewhere. Well, I don't know. That's what I use as my blackened seasoning. See, but I was gonna say a lot of people don't even season, you know, anything other than the blackened seasoning. Mm-hmm. But I am not putting anything that has salt in it.
Right.
So
that's important.
Yeah. I don't want to use the salty one either. A little bit's coming in.
All you have to do is stab it with a knife.
You have to be careful because I don't want it to get clumpy. They're too big for me to flip them and flop them. Oh, look, it's kind of worked a little bit. Not quite in the way I wanted, but oh no, it's looking pretty good. Yeah.
That looks good.
Have them look at what I'm doing here.
Dripping fish juice all up on your head and back.
Well, it's my birthday.
It's actually not dripping, but I don't know why he's doing this. He's
I need
drama queen.
It has to be perfectly distributed. Look, there we go. Looking much better. You'll see when you eat it.
Mm-hmm. I know what you're doing, and I know why you're doing it. That does
Ooh,
look nice and
yeah.
distributed. Yeah, that looks really good.
And then see, ooh, yeah, that's good. See, that's why.
Now that looks great. That looks great. Very few clumps.
Now I wonder if I should season both sides with the blackened seasoning.
Absolutely.
Ooh, okay. Okay, that should be good. And now this one, you want to press it into the fish. Okay, that should be seasoned enough.
Flip them. Season the other side.
Don't tell me what to do. You know what? Maybe I don't want to. Maybe I decided I'm not seasoned anymore.
No, yeah.
Maybe I'm not seasoned.
Lies.
I can't wait. The guys at the fish shop were like, "Oh, you're cooking on your birthday?" I'm like, "Yeah, well, that's what I told them I was a wannabe social media chef, but I didn't tell them my name. Maybe I should have. I need to be more net marketing or networking or whatever. You should be lucky because everyone who has eaten it so far has given me rave. Okay, let me see, because I'm gonna season the potatoes, but I don't want to season them too much because I don't want them to get such a color to them. You know, it's mashed potatoes. I don't want them to be like dark. I'm just gonna use the salty Tony's, whatever. I didn't want to use it on the fish because, you know, I was using other stuff with salt, but this can take some salt.
I agree.
Is there a lot of potatoes, though? More than
No.
I typically...
No, you're fine.
But this looks seasoned enough, right?
Yeah, of course it does.
You know, I have a reputation to uphold. I am team seasoned.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here we're using some Kerrygold butter. Usually I would use Imperial, but my friend is bougie and he can't appreciate the finer things in life.
It's
like
chemicals.
some Imperial butter.
You got your seasonings?
Well, some of them are seasonings and some are not. Okay. Too late.
I'm always over garlicking things, and I never regret it. But if you said you're not big on garlic,
Okay,
then
now
don't worry
here's
about
the
it.
shallots. And you know what? I think that I was tripping on the color of this.
You're fine. You're gonna be fine. You're gonna love it.
Zesty Nation, can you guys tell me if
We've got them covered up with onions, but here we go. See how they're purple right now, but they won't be purple for long.
and I still have to season, but you know, I have to put the bell peppers
Wait, you just did? Those are seasonings.
powdered season.
Oh, okay. I'm on board with that. I'm on board with powdered
about-
seasoning and then seasoning.
Oh,
Oh. Because I've done
I
that.
don't think I did it that much.
No, you're fine. That's not too much garlic. I'm well seasoned. By the way, never buy pepper again. You never ever have to buy pre-ground because when you pre-grind it, it loses most of its flavor immediately. You have to freshly grind it for it to really be good pepper, and we got a $100 pepper grinder now.
So, I wonder if I should just start boiling those, you know? Because...
I don't know. I don't make mashed potatoes.
most people don't even cook them at all. This is just something I did on accident once, and I liked it, so I did it again.
All right.
But, okay, you know what? I don't care. I'm tired. I'm going to start boiling them. But look, I'm using the seasoned water
Seasoned from what?
from the potatoes.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah. That's a good idea. Sure. Why not? You're gonna have a big cleanup afterwards too. 100,000, a million zesties.
Yeah, we don't even talk 100,000. We only talk in terms of millions, okay?
Millions of zesties.
A million zesties. Zesty Nation will be 1 million strong. You watch.
Yeah, true.
Okay, here's the crawfish tails. And yet, they're Chinese crawfish. It's not Cajun unless the crawfish is Chinese, okay? Even though that's warm water, which I don't want, but whatever. This should be fine, but you know what? Just one more, just for safe measure. I do consider the garlic and the parsley to be seasonings, and maybe the shallots, but I have a little disagreement on these two being seasonings.
Hungmaster Mike just wrote to you on.
Oh, don't say that out loud. Am I going to have to include that in the video?
No, you don't have to include
But
that.
now I'm confused. Maybe I should include that type of stuff.
Oh, that cauliflower is looking good. All right.
They need to see me putting the hot sauce in.
All right, let's
They
see.
had extra hot crystal, which was nice.
Oh, extra hot.
And some Worcestershire or whatever it's called.
Worcestershire? I was gonna say I have so much of that.
I'm always confused how much to put. Okay, that's probably good.
Where's your red dye number 40?
I have it somewhere. You know how I like it.
Well, not so much fat. It's long. It's length.
I've told you way too much.
Yeah, I know too much about. I know way too much.
I've told you way too much.
Especially if you screw it up, right? Woo! Did we get it all over ourselves? My God.
How does that look? I feel like it doesn't look the way I wanted it to.
Like blackened.
It's not blackened enough.
It's cooked. Nice looking.
Oh, that's fine. A little bit of oil.
Lemon juice.
Yeah. Oh.
What was that noise?
That I made?
Yeah, you just made that noise. What was that? You went. How did you?
Zesty noise.
Oh. So good. Yeah, you don't want to burn that butter. Then the whole thing tastes like crap.
That does look freaking good, huh?
I know. I want to cut a bite out of it right now.
I think we'll be able to eat both of the fish too.
Maybe.
Because, well.
Yeah.
That does look good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, I need the spoon too, actually. Where is it?
I don't know.
Oh, here it is.
Okay. Tilt.
Get me basting. Oh yeah. So you are a good.
I know what I'm doing.
What I want.
Gotta do this. Tilt it.
Get into the bottom part. Okay, I think we're good.
All right.
Oh, it's breaking.
It's breaking.
You can tell it's cooked well.
Yeah. That's cooked perfect. You could use two. You could use two spatulas too. There we go. All right, it broke, and that's okay.
That's gonna be so freaking good.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Keep going. Get most of that water out.
I don't want to get rid of all the seasoning though. I'm mad at myself now because I should have foreseen doing too much water.
Hi, Bubba. Wrong. He's doing it wrong.
Whatever.
I have real Parmesan cheese. We could have grated and put it on there.
I'm gonna do a lot of butter because it's Cajun. So you
Hell
just
yeah!
have
No, I
to-
love butter. I love butter. Absolutely, put butter. What do you want, Bubba? No. We're making a video. We can't have you complaining in the background.
I like it creamy, so hopefully you do too.
I like it whatever way. That's gonna be really creamy.
Put too much, so I'm putting some paprika in.
Look at this.
Zesty, that's the word.
Look
we
at
use
this.
all the time.
That was the word I was looking
Yeah,
for.
look, I'm doing like a freaking
Zesty.
pirouette.
Look, he's not making this up. I'm telling you, I've
doing
known
like a
this guy
pirouette.
for
Tell
years.
him actually that when my friend when we first met, he truly believed that effeminate gay men
Oh, yeah.
put on
I thought this was all a put on, and then
then
you see things like that, and you go, "This."
and the accent and everything.
Yeah.
And over the years, he started realizing, oh, you really don't do that on purpose, huh?
Well, really can't help yourself.
Yeah, I'm zesty as can be. Yeah, I think we're gonna end up eating this all.
Oh, I think so
you
too.
see that they
I think so too. This is too good not to eat all of it.
They got a smaller. I'm tripping on this sauce. Well, you know what? It's perfect. Everything is perfect.
It's great. It looks great to me. And even if it is a little bit creamy, it's fine.
No, I was talking about the sauce, not the potatoes.
Yeah. Oh, the sauce I think is perfect. Look how thick it is.
I like the potatoes.
Look how thick it is.
So
Yeah, I'm fine with creamy potatoes.
I need to use this same
Push
thingy
this back so it's not on the burner anymore.
spoon out the sauce.
Okay. Bubba, you just ate. He's
Are you telling me that my... Oh, yeah, the sauce is looking good.
It looks great. Yeah, no, that really looks great. Oh my God. Look at that. Jesus. Yeah, this is pretty fire right here.
Crawfish and shrimp sauce.
Yeah. Oh my God.
This is some Cajun goodness. With Chinese crawfish, not Cajun, unless the crawfish is Chinese. That, if you don't know, in the supermarket they sell Chinese crawfish and Louisiana crawfish, and no one likes the Chinese one, but I do because it's cheap. Okay, now just do a little pan around of it, just show it off, and then cut it. Okay, we're done. We're finally ready.
Hell yeah.
That looks so freaking good, huh?
It really does.
That's a good 35th birthday dinner. I hope that you guys enjoyed episode 1 of Cooking... Wait, hold on. I have to do the little dance. Cooking with Pride with Evan Zesty, blackened redfish, mashed potatoes, air-fried cauliflower. You guys kind of missed the cauliflower, but...
I showed it.
Cauliflower in the air fryer.
I showed it.
And my crawfish and shrimp sauce. Okay, let's eat.
All right.